Become a partner with Hotel and Home by hosting your property. In this video, we will show you how to do a listing on Hotel and Home site. Firstly, we have to log into Hotel and Home by entering our ID and password. This is our website where you can see many properties from different places hosting their stay for travelers. Now we move to the process of listing. We can see list your property on top, and simply by clicking it, the process will start. We now again click to get started, and our first page with what kind of property you want to host will be displayed. You can choose according to the property you want to host. You can see the type of hotel like star, boutique, and on. Choose accordingly and start listing the property. Now enter your property, name, and all the details that need to be filled up in the organizational profile. After organizational profile, you need to beautifully describe the best feature and special amenities like fast Wi-Fi, parking, and other of your space. Now in this section, you have to enter the contact details which will help in the future when there is a booking of the property. Images are one of the key points to attract the guest, so upload the best photo of the property you have. This location will be shown to the guests from our site, which will help them to find the proper location. Now, these are the amenities that the guests usually expect, so attract the guest with the beautiful highlights of the property. Also, nearby destination is a key factor to attract guests, so if possible, you can add them to the section. Now, you can set the policy as per your preference before any bookings and help guests for the easiness. This is the section for settlement between Hotel and Home and the host of the property. You can choose accordingly for managing quick settlements in the future. Now, this is the simple dashboard where we can add and edit our all details. This is the final step for the property setup. Click on the Add Room and complete the process by adding the room and its details. Also make a beautiful highlight by adding proper room amenities like an A or C room, TV, and others. Mention the bathroom details and attract guests with beautiful room photos. Now you can see the normal price on the left and offer price on right. Normal price is the regular price of room, whereas offer price is the price you want to offer. If the offer price is less than the normal price, it will help the host to display their property in hot deals on our homepage of the website. Add a variety of rooms you have and help guests to book a room accordingly. Now, click on Submit for approval and complete your listing process on Hotel and Home.